Hi, I'm Ved, and this is my CS50 final project, TrackCal. TrackCal is a web application, and as you can see from its homepage, it helps you track your daily calorie intake, find out how many calories you burn every single day, and also helps you with your overall weight loss or weight gain goals. So to start, you can either log in or sign up. You just need to enter your name, email, and password. And you can just click sign up. Here on the homepage, on top, it gives you some tips regarding weight loss and weight gain. And here it gives you some information with links to different pages of this website, which I'm going to go through now. And here at the bottom are some YouTube videos that explain the science behind weight loss and weight gain. If you want more information about the science behind weight loss and weight gain, you can go to this information page, either from here, from this link, and it explains things in greater detail related to the thermodynamics behind it and also provides a graph. Here in the BMR calculator, you can calculate your basal metabolic rate, which is the number of calories your body burns every day just by existing and carrying out basic functions like breathing or thinking. So you can just enter your information and it'll give you your answer right here, 1365 calories per day. When you go to the calorie tracker, to track your calories, you need to go to this site so you can find out how many calories are actually in the food you've eaten. You can select the date you ate the food and enter the number of calories, which is down here. But before you do that, you need to set your calorie goal according to your weight loss or weight gain goals. So if you enter your BMR and your goals, say I want to lose half a kg every week. I select lose weight and 0.5 kgs. And I can find my calorie goal, which is 1698 calories per day, which will also be up here. This calorie goal is constant, so every time I log into my account, my calorie goal will be saved until I decide to change it over here. And down here, I can track my calories. So suppose yesterday my first meal was 1000 calories. I can change the date to 6 September 2021, enter 1000 calories and add it. And it'll show me my progress for that day out of my total goal. After that, you can log out and it'll successfully log you out and bring you back to the login page. So that's TrackCal, and I really think it'll be helpful to people on their weight loss or weight gain journey, and it'll teach them more about the science behind calories, weight loss, and weight gain. Thank you.